video. I'm going to be going to a water park. Like, it's a water park on water, so it's going to be really fun. I'm really excited. So right now, I'm just getting ready. So I'm going to take a shower real quick, and yeah. I'm done taking a shower. I'm going to be wearing this. Or not wearing this, I'm just done. And I'm going to wear my fit now, like my outfit. So my hair is also like really curly after I take a shower. So my hair is like that right now. So I'm not going to be wearing this like while like driving to the beach. I might wear a different swimsuit, but for now I'm wearing this one. I'm going to get like a sweater on, and yeah. So I'm going to wear this on top. You can kind of see my swimsuit from behind over there, but it's fine. I'm just going to, my hair will dry while I'm doing this. Let me just put my shoes. And then I'm going to be going to the, so I wore these shoes. I can't really show them. I wore these shoes. It's kind of hard to see them from the front. But yes, I wore this swimsuit cover up. My car, because it might take a while to get there. My driveway is so long. I could fit like, I don't know, 5 cars in there. I mean, there's no reservation, but I can't get there too late because then I won't be able to swim for a long time. I'm on the wrong side of the road. My hair looks so curly, like very curly. So let me just drive. Sorry about that. Because my brother barged in my room. Anyway. I'm gonna park right there. I know we're not really supposed to be parking here. Don't make the background noise. It's my parents. Okay, we're here, so they made this very cute because now there's a volleyball net area thingy, and then there's also that. So I'm gonna take off my swimsuit cover up, and okay, and so I took it off. I'm gonna take my slippers off there. And until then, I'll just walk there, I guess. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep on walking. Okay. I'm just gonna keep on walking. Sorry if you hear a little background noise right now. I'm just fixing my bed in real life. Okay, so I'm gonna take my slippers off. Got it off. But look at my hair, I love it. My hair's usually never like that, but like, because I barely wash my hair. But I do wash my hair sometimes, a lot of times actually, so my hair's kind of always like this. Trampoline. I know this is for little kids, but it's so fun. I'm gonna get on the slide. Whee! Oh, I almost fell off. Oh, another trampoline. Oh, this obstacle course. I'm gonna go back. I don't care if the side is the wrong way. Ooh. Trampoline again. I think it starts from there. jinx myself. That was supposed to be easy. Oh. Okay, so these things are slippery. I'm not even moving it. Like now I'm moving, but okay. When I get on, it slips. Okay, now it's pretty good. I'm so bad at this. Okay, so I really want to do that slide, but I'll do it after. Okay, this part looks pretty easy. This part is easy, I think. Okay, I got it. I keep on jinxing myself. Y'all, I'm not actually that bad at hobbies, okay? I'm actually, like, pretty good at them. But I don't know what's up today. I'm just gonna do a whole lap of this. Like, go do everything. And after I'm done, I'm gonna go on the actual beach area. And then, yeah. How exactly? There. It's fun. Okay, I think that's it. I'll do it. I don't know how to do that side. It's kind of. Actually, I wouldn't do it now. It's 9 p.m. Okay, you know what? I don't want to do it. Keep on changing my mind. Oh, it's nighttime. It's so dark. Okay, so I'm gonna do another vlog for the morning. But the vlog's gonna actually, I'll just do a whole different video for that vlog. I think that's it for today. Bye, everybody. Have a great day. If you like this video, click that subscribe button and like the video.